Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the Brayton cycle, or the jet engine. We're just going to kind of go over how the whole system works and how it creates thrust and the different sections that are part of that. Alright, starting with the first section in this drawn up jet engine is the compressor, the combustor, and the turbine. Alright, we'll start with the compressor. As the shaft turns these compressor blades, this first stage just pulling in this air, this ambient air, and putting it from this stage to this stage to this stage. As it goes down in the stages, it's being compressed and heated up, and that's according to the laws of thermodynamics. That hot compressed air is then directed to the combustor, or the combustor chamber, and inside there, in that chamber, it's being added with jet fuel, which is then ignited, and that's just supplying so much more energy to the gases that those hot gases are then directed to the turbine section, and the energy is used to rotate these turbine blades, and those turbine blades are then powering the shaft, which is then powering the compressor, and which is pulling in more and more air for the whole system. And back to the turbine section, the hot gases are then shot out here in the back, creating what is called a jet. And this is maybe a little easier understood. If you've ever used a hose nozzle and fired up the hose as much as you could feel a force being directed in the opposite direction of the fluid flow. So in this case, the hot gases are fluid, and the fluid flow is going in this direction, so it's creating a force this way, which is known as thrust. And that is what propels an engine forward and allows aircraft to fly.